Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction in Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. This leading Polkadot DeFi project hit $1 billion in total value locked. Having recently won the third parachain auction slot and going live on the Polkadot mainnet this year, Cosmos, and all major Layer 1 blockchains. It offers a range of technology solutions and financial incentives via its BUILD Earn and a Star incubation program for WEB3 developers to build on top of a secure, scalable and interoperable blockchain. The TVL represents the token value that has been staked on a star and demonstrates the long-term confidence of the project's investors and community. Even more impressive is that the $1 billion figure represents 45% of the TVL on Polkadot. Earlier this year, Next Parachain with over 524,000 DOT contributed from 2,271 contributors. Each parachain brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by Layer Issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot QuickTake. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape. From DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding, new cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot. Here. MetaMask, one of the core products, is slated to get a major redesign earlier this year, recently topping 30 million active monthly users. With the help of the recently injected capital, ConsenSys will also focus on scaling its flagship developer, Infer. ConsenSys CEO Joseph Lubin, one of the co-founders of the Ethereum blockchain, says that his company has broad and deep capabilities in a statement. Taking aim at Solana in a newly published interview with the Financial Times, Lubin took a swipe at Solana, a rival cryptocurrency network, claiming that it has to work on developing a sustainable business model. As reported by U. Today, Bank of America recently predicted that Solana would keep chipping away at the market share of its bigger rival due to its fast and cheap transactions despite the centralization trade-off. The next news about metaverse banking: HSBC enters the sandbox as JPMorgan tests Decentraland. With major financial institutions increasingly moving into the metaverse, UK bank HSBC is the first global financial services provider to enter virtual world The Sandbox, following in the steps of US-based banking giant JPMorgan, which recently set up a lounge in another virtual world, Decentraland, Mono. The British bank said it sees great potential to create new experiences through emerging platforms, opening up a world of opportunity for our current and future customers, and for the communities we serve. The bank will acquire a plot of land, virtual real estate in the Sandbox metaverse, which will be developed to engage and connect with sports, experts, and gaming enthusiasts, per their announcement. HSBC is joining the ranks of more than 200 partners of Animoca Brands-operated virtual worlds. More than 1 in 10 working-age internet users own some form of crypto. This figure rose to more than 2 in 10 in Thailand. Thai users held more than $3 billion worth of cryptocurrencies this year. A massive increase compared to just a few years ago. In fact, in 2021, transaction volume increased by about 600% from November 2020 to April 2021. Do all things come to an end? Indeed, the rising crypto adoption met a major obstacle here in the region. From 1 April 2022, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. According to a report by Bloomberg on 23 March, Thailand Regulatory Board issued rules to ban digital assets for payment of goods and services. This new development will come into play at the start of next month. In a joint press release, the Thailand Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Bank of Thailand, BOT, said, business operators including crypto exchanges must not provide such payment services, and are barred from acting in a manner that promotes digital assets to pay for goods or services. However, the new regulation won't affect trading or investments in digital assets. Until the end of April, companies and local businesses had to comply with the new rules. The development pricing units other than the Thai baht would increase the cost of economic activities. The rise in crypto adoption, indeed, met a major obstacle here in the region. As of April 1st, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. At the same time, it reduced the efficiency of monetary policy transmission. Cryptocurrency operators should halt advertising, soliciting or establishing a system to facilitate payment of the same. Instead, they must warn clients against the use of digital assets for payments. The new regulations even went to the extent to threaten cancellation of accounts if found guilty of breaching these rules. This move falls in line with regulators' concerns that digital assets pose. It could impact the country's financial stability and the overall economy. Has it been a good ride? The timing of the developments above is an interesting one. Significantly, just starting this month, Thai's Finance Ministry Cabinet relaxed the tax burdens of Thailand's crypto investors from April 2022 until the end of 2023. In addition, the cabinet approved tax relief measures, including the exemption of a 7% value-added tax (VAT) on cryptocurrency trades on regulated exchanges to promote the crypto industry. Decentralized fun arcade games with a decentralized arcade. Unite Finance is focusing on utility to encourage active user contribution on a fundamental level. The arcade will be built to enhance the DeFi experience by adding exciting old school and new games. Users will be able to play Roll, Crash, Coin Flip, and other popular games with entry as low as $1 Unite to ensure universal participation, equivalent to $0. 15 United States dollars at the time of writing. And there are no kick requirements to withdraw your winnings. The arcade maintains a non-custodial policy. No amount is required to be deposited to access the features. A player can play and bet in any slot and other arcade games without facing any restrictions. Upon winning, the profit can be instantly withdrawn to your wallet with zero additional fees. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 20